Hi, this is Jeff Tricoli again with Tricoli team, just to discuss the South Florida real estate market. Just wanted to bring a quick market update for quarter one, since we just ended quarter one at the end of March, and our data is a little slow coming from the MLS, and they do separate the data, so just keep that in mind. So I try and clump it back together. So they separate single family homes from townhomes and condos, and I try to put them kind of all back together, since we sell condos, single family homes, townhomes, villas, you name it, we'll sell it here in South Florida. The other thing is they combine the counties here. So we're right in the middle of South Florida. So we actually sell Miami, we sell Broward, we sell Palm Beach, we sell St. Lucie. And so they basically clump up the Miami-Dade, Broward County and Palm Beach County MLSs. So that's kind of the data we take and kind of share with you. But I think it just gives you an overall characteristic of what the market's been doing and analysis of kind of where we were, where we're at right now. Overall, our market is still not as good as it was a couple years ago, and it still kind of went down, in terms of closings, pendings, and that sort of thing. So closed sales in our whole MLS is down 5.4%. That's year over year. So if you take first quarter 2024 compared to first quarter of 2025, there's less sales. Less cash buyers in the market, that's down 7.9%. Less pending deals in the first quarter, so we're already starting the first quarter of this year compared to last year. Slower, 11.3% decrease. I think what we've seen this year is our season started a little bit later. It was more kind of towards the end of February, where a lot of times we start picking up more into January, beginning of February. So I think our season, so I'll have a feeling our second quarter numbers will be a little bit better. The good news for us, we are down, but we're not down as much as the market is. So the market was down 11.3% in terms of pending, how many homes went under contract, which was 19,849 in our first quarter. We went under contract with 85 homes, townhomes, condos, and so we're only down 6.5%. So we actually did a few, about 4 or 5% better than the overall market. And so if you look at days on the market, that's up almost 41%. Condos and townhomes is up quite a bit more than for single family homes, but the median sales prices still went up. This is so interesting that we're still seeing slight increases in the median sales price. Townhomes and condos, the median sales price actually went down a little bit, but overall, we're still seeing overall increase in that. And then our active listings. So currently right now, this time of year, we have 37.2% more active listings than we did same time last year. So we're just seeing more homes sit on the market. We're seeing them stay on the market longer. So if you are selling right now, be a little patient. I mean, our average numbers are so much better than this. I would say on average 60 days, we're probably still selling probably about 45 days. So we are still moving it. We're still doing a ton of marketing. We're making sure we're beating a lot of these numbers. Months supply of inventory, 8.8. That's definitely a buyer's market. So I think it's in somewhere around 11% for townhomes and condos. It's almost 6 months supply of inventory for single family homes and a little over 11 months for townhomes and condos. So that's pretty significant. 6 months is considered a neutral market. We've pretty much been in a seller's market for a lot of years, well over 10 years since the recession. Yeah, we've been in a seller's market for a long time now, and now we're seeing it more balanced. Condo, townhome market, definitely a buyer's market. And we are still seeing overall buyers do have a little more control. They are asking for more things. There's a lot more, definitely need a lot better realtor in this type of market to guide you through a lot of these pitfalls that come up right now. So again, we are still selling a ton of homes. That's just kind of our market update here in Southeast Florida. I hope you found this valuable. If you did, please like the video. Please follow us on YouTube. And we certainly look forward to the next time to give you the next update in quarter two. Thank you. Have a great day.